Hey there. So I've been in a couple of conversations lately about bird baths, and I thought I would just touch on that really quick. It's not rocket science. But a lot of the items, the cups or whatever that people are trying to get their birds to take a bath in are not exactly what the bird wants. So here you see my canaries, and they're just flying down and taking a bath in it's a recycled Chinese carryout dish. You know, you go get Chinese food at the restaurant and they give you this little plastic container with a lid, and so you wash it out and you use that for your bird's bath. It works really well. Mine try to cram themselves in there as many birds as possible, and so it works out just fine for me. And you'll see here this little, he's a canary and goldfinch cross. Well, it's probably a she, the dark colored one there. The little tiny yellow one that keeps kind of trying to fight with it is actually an 8-week-old baby. It just really wants a bath, doesn't it? So they're so funny to watch when they're taking a bath. But anyway, so that is one thing you can do is just recycle some plastic container. I know for some reason mine won't ever take a bath in a black container. And the parrots are suspicious of clear things, but my little guys like this are not. They're fine with a clear bath. The other container that I want to show you is this nice clip-on bath, and here's what it really should look like. You clip it onto one of the small doors on a smaller cage. But if you have the bigger flat cage and you want to use this kind of bath, just set it down in the floor. My birds had never seen this kind. They expected to get the little carry-out tray, um, and they didn't, and so they were really suspicious. But they did finally get in there and take a little bath, as you will see. And that's about all I have to say about this matter. Just enjoy the birds. Thank you.